Morning everybody, this is 5:30 a.m. June 12th, 2013. I'm down at the dike for a morning stroll and walk. In the distance is Pitt River Bridge. Here's the habitat for the birds. Birds are singing. Got my eagle up in the tree here. There's some wild flowers down here. Isn't it beautiful? Nice and purple. The birds are singing. It's my happy place, nature walk here. My eagle's up in the tree, making its noises and chirping away. Yeah, this is the place I come, rain or shine. Here's the tall grass with the purple flowers in it. My eagle's up there. Listen to the nature of the birds. It rained, quite a bit last night. It stopped raining now. Nice and fresh air. My happy place. Well, I hope you like this nature area. It's in Port Coquitlam, but Pitt River Bridge. Have a good day.